In the span of 60 years, VDL Groep has grown to become one of the largest and strongest family companies in the Netherlands. With more than 100 operating companies and 17,000 employees, with locations in 20 countries and a worldwide network. Professionals in specialized industrial companies, each and every one a leader in high technology. Flexible, independent companies grouped in 4 divisions, contributing in their own areas of specialization to form a single, strong team. VDL Groep continuously invests in the improvement of its products and production processes. State-of-the-art technologies are utilized to ensure quality at the highest levels of efficiency and flexibility. No matter how many technologies are available, the true source of VDL's strength is its employees. Their professionalism, creativity, and desire to succeed are the cornerstones of VDL Group's success. By focusing on the customer and listening carefully, VDL continuously pushes the envelope, works with the customer, and shares in development of the solution. A strong team of people in a strong team of companies. VDL Groep delivers products and services worldwide for virtually every market and industry. As a reliable partner for a diverse range of companies, VDL plays a key role in producing innumerable products and applications. As such, VDL Groep is closely entwined with our society. Take this everyday situation. A cityscape, perhaps containing more VDL products than you think. Sometimes they are clearly recognizable, but in many cases not. Because VDL collaborates intensively with other manufacturers, VDL's contribution often remains hidden from view. In these cases, VDL delivers essential elements or advanced production facilities, fully in the function of the final product. This also holds true in the industrial environment. Just as in our cityscape, here too VDL Group's contributions are everywhere you look. Because VDL is at the forefront when it comes to research and development, new technologies often originate at VDL companies. This innovative strength brings new applications within reach, pushes boundaries forward, and adds fuel to our economic engine. In the city, in industry, in the countryside, VDL Groep makes its mark everywhere. The VDL companies put their expertise and specialist knowledge to work in almost every market, sustainable and socially responsible. New ways are sought for cleverly facing the challenges of today and tomorrow. More than 100 companies, 4 divisions, 1 group. A no-nonsense industrial company, ready for the future.
De groei en ontwikkeling van de VDL Groep is door samenwerking van onze medewerkers mogelijk gemaakt. En daar ben ik ontzettend trots op.
A financially strong company offering quality and continuity. The will to continue to invest and innovate. An international family business. VDL Group gladly works with you to take on new challenges, to remain at the forefront of high technology.
Our strength lies in diversity, in techniques, products and markets, but also in our employees, dedicated professionals who get chances and are challenged to win a unique position in every industry. Strength through cooperation. That's where we stand for.